Alright, this is the freezer room of the meat department, or the refrigerator room. It's the floor drain here in the middle of the room. It's probably the last thing in the line on the back of the store's grease line. I'm going to see if we can get through this P-trap because I do not see a clean out. Having a bit of a hard time. Let's see if we can get it round two. Right there. Just get past that. Man, so close. I don't think this is gonna happen.